Welcome to this tutorial on how to convert a percentage to a decimal. In this video, we will show you how to change a percentage to a decimal by rewriting the percentage as a fraction and then by performing division. We will also show you a handy shortcut. To start, let's go over the steps to change a percentage to a decimal. We will start with the first method, the division method, before we talk about the shortcut. Since the word percent means per 100 or over 100, our first step will be to rewrite the percentage as a fraction over 100. Next, complete the division, x divided by 100, to get our answer. For the shortcut way, simply remove the percent sign and move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Let's do some examples. We will follow these steps to change a percentage to a decimal, both by using division and our shortcut methods. For our first example, let's convert 1% to a decimal. First, we will rewrite this percent as a fraction over 100. So 1% becomes 1 over 100. Next, complete the division, 1 divided by 100, to get 0.01 as our answer. Let's also use the shortcut to change 1% to a decimal. First, remove the percent sign to get 1. Then, move the decimal point over 2 places to the left to again get 0.01 as our answer. Let's do another example. Let's turn 45% into a decimal. First, rewrite the percentage as 45 over 100. Then, do 45 divided by 100 to get 0.45. Now, let's use the shortcut again. First, remove the percent sign so 45% becomes 45. Then, move the decimal point over 2 places to the left to get 0.45. Now that you understand how to convert a percentage to a decimal, let's head over to CalculatorSoup.com's percent to decimal calculator. The percent to decimal calculator will convert a percentage to a decimal and show you step by step how to get the answer using both of our methods. Let's do one more example. Let's convert 88% to a decimal. First, rewrite 88% as 88 over 100. Then, complete the division to get 0.88. For the shortcut method, remove the percent sign and move the decimal point 2 places to the left. We get the same answer, 0.88. Now you know how to convert a percentage to a decimal. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials from Calculator Soup.